Metaphysics. Have you ever had that fleeting, unsettling thought? Why does anything exist at all? Why not nothing? It sounds simple, almost childish, and yet it's one of the most haunting questions a human mind can ever face. Because if you follow it long enough, it leads you into one of the oldest and deepest realms of philosophy: metaphysics. Now, the word itself can feel intimidating, almost heavy, but at its core, metaphysics is nothing more than this: a relentless attempt to understand reality itself. Physics and science explain how things happen, why the planets move, why fire burns, why the heart beats. But metaphysics asks a question that science cannot touch. What does it actually mean for something to exist? This journey began thousands of years ago with the Greeks and with a man named Aristotle. The term metaphysics wasn't even mystical at first. It literally meant after physics, because Aristotle placed his writings on these questions right after his works on motion and matter. But over time, the name stuck, and the meaning deepened. Metaphysics became philosophy's bold attempt to confront the ultimate nature of reality. At its heart, it explores two great frontiers. The first is ontology, the study of what is. Here, philosophers ask, what truly exists? Are numbers, justice, or beauty real in themselves, or are they only ideas we invented? Take something as simple as the color red. Does redness exist out there in the universe, or only in the flicker of your perception? The second frontier is more intimate. It doesn't just ask what exists, it asks what it means for us to exist. Do we truly have free will, or are we prisoners of cause and effect? Is consciousness just neurons firing, or something beyond the physical? And perhaps the most daring question of all, does anything exist outside the material world we touch? These are not puzzles you solve in a classroom. They are the kinds of questions that linger in the background of everyday life, shaping how you see yourself, others, and the universe itself. And maybe that's the strange beauty of metaphysics. Unlike science, it rarely gives you final answers. Instead, it leaves you with deeper mysteries, reminding you that beneath the routines of daily life lies something vast, unexplainable, and endlessly strange. So the next time you look at the world around you, pause for a moment. Behind every tree, every street, every face you see, is a single, silent question. Why is there something rather than nothing?